My name's Greg Myrams and I'm the Managing Director and founder of Techion. Our mission at Techion is to address a global problem, and it's a multi-sector problem. And that problem is that many tests across human health, environment, animal health rely on a microscope and a skilled technician to analyse what particular particles they're looking at. We build a digital microscopy platform, and by using digital imaging, cloud computing and AI, we're able to automate some of those processes and bring a whole new rigour of QA and standardisation across those sectors.
Traditionally, a farmer would have to take a FEC test and send it in via a courier or a postage system, meaning the delay in their results could be up to a week. By that time, the FEC levels will have changed. Our clients were more likely to rush into making the decision to treat their animals, and often unnecessarily.
So as our platform was growing and we were doing more tests from different countries and more animal species, we were striking a problem that we needed more online technicians to support it. So AI becomes an obvious solution.
A human technician can't spend 6 to 8 hours a day looking at eggs on a screen. But a computer vision model that has been trained to do just that will always outperform its human counterpart.
The Microvision solution that we developed with Techion is a completely bespoke neural architecture that we believe is the most accurate AI system for the speciation and localization of eggs from parasites in a veterinary context. And over 3 years of iterative refinement and collaboration with Techion, we trained a model to over 95% accuracy, which is now comparable to clinical diagnosis for these conditions. The AI model can provide its results straight back to a human in the field using the FEC solution from Techion almost immediately within 10 to 12 seconds.
So we've now reached a point with the model's performance that we have been able to switch off our online technicians other than auditing, and we've now got the model deployed across multiple countries, multiple species, 24 hours a day. And we now radiate that beyond our current areas into areas like human healthcare and into water testing, for example.
Azure have been there from the start. Microsoft have always been supporting this domain. We used the whole stack of Microsoft technologies. Our data was stored in Azure storage. Our teams were coordinated with Microsoft Teams. Training of our models was done in the Azure Machine Learning workspace. And then there's really no element of this that wasn't using a Microsoft technology in some way.
Being part of Microsoft has been a long-term engagement for Techion over a decade. The original model was built there primarily because our team were very comfortable with the Microsoft suite of products. We now are working closely with them with their new data centre here in New Zealand, but also their other data centres around the world as we move into human healthcare data. By HSO helping us with that architecture, we were able to build a model with data sets from around the world, different technicians, and create a model that we can now radiate globally to the world.